Imagine you're on a typical Sunday hike, walking through the forest. You hear the birds singing, you see the vibrant autumn colors, and smell the leaves beneath your feet. But suddenly, you start to hear the engines, the roaring sound of logging tractors approaching. Your vision blurs. Now all you can see are soybean plants stretching to the horizon. You feel the warm touch of agrochemicals sprayed over your skin and taste their bitterness in your throat. This might sound like a nightmare, isn't it? But no, it's our reality, and it's happening now, every day, in the Dry Chaco Forest. In just 3 minutes, we will lose a significant portion of this forest at an alarming rate of 1 hectare per minute. Can you imagine how much that is? It's an equivalent of 13 Wilhelmsplatz, 13 that will be lost only during this presentation. The Dry Chaco Forest is the largest dry forest in the world, yet less than 5% of it is legally protected. This leads to a rampant deforestation. As someone from Argentina, I have experienced this problem in firsthand. This deforestation leads to the creation of forest strips that are left between crop fields to prevent wind erosion. These are the only forests that will remain for future generations. But are these 50-meter-wide strips enough to sustain biodiversity? The goal of my PhD is to study the biodiversity of this forest along a 400-kilometer transect. I compare the different aspects of biodiversity between these forest strips and these forest patches to help design better conservation strategies. I am not only using traditional forest inventory techniques, but I'm also using cutting-edge technologies, such as laser scanning and multispectral drone imagery. The preliminary results have shown that the interior of the forest is the only place where the environment remains as it was before human impact. But what does it mean for all of us? It means we're still in time to do something. With the results I am obtaining, we can help design better conservation strategies to preserve the forest patches and safeguard the Dry Chaco Forest and its biodiversity, so that we keep the forest where it belongs, in nature, not in our forks.
Thank you, Axel.